High in the misty mountains of Kerala lies one of the India's most breathtaking national parks, a land of rolling grasslands, rare blooms, and one iconic residence, the Nilgiri Tahr. Welcome to Eravikulam National Park, located just 15 kilometers from wonderful city Munnar, which is spread across nearly 97 square kilometers, and this protected area is nested in the Western Ghats, one of the world biodiversity hotspot. The entry fee for this national park is around 200 rupees for adults and 150 for children. And also there is an additional charges for camera and videography. People can explore the park through eco-friendly shuttle buses and short walk trails. You can book online through the official park site or offline at the Munnar Information Centre between 9 am to 3 pm to avoid the long queues. While on the way, you can see the wonderful waterfalls next to the most popular route, which is Rajamala. Visiting hours approximately 8 am in the morning to 4 pm in the afternoon. But the Eravikulam is the best known as the home of Nilgiri Tahr, a rare mountain goat found only in the southwestern Ghats. With their short curved horns and sure-footed climb, these animals have gotten used to living in the rough land very well, where you can spot tahr up to close, often just a meter away. This species hunted and nearly pushed to an extinction, but the Nilgiri Tahr has made a remarkable comeback. Thanks to the decades of conservation efforts, over 800 individuals now roaming freely within the park, making Eravikulam is the single largest habitat for the species. Visit early in the morning or on the weekdays to beat the crowd, especially to better chance spotting the tahr. Eravikulam is more than just a park. It's a sanctuary, a success story, and a reminder of how nature can heal when we give a chance. Whether you are a wildlife enthusiast, a trekker, or a simply lover of beauty, this is the place that will stay with you forever. The park is also famous for another natural wonder, the Neelakurinji flower, which blooms just once every 12 years, covering the hill in the magical sea of blue. The next bloom is expected in 2030, drawing a nature lover for around the world. To protect the Nilgiri Tahr, the park remains closed during their littering season, typically between February to March. So plan your visit responsibly, respect the wildlife, take only the memories, and leave your footprints. Just outside the park entrance, there is a small museum showcasing photographs, skulls, and the information boards about the Nilgiri Tahrs. It highlights the biology and the habits of the Nilgiri Tahr, along with the conservation efforts to protect them. That was for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel Infos for the more incredible destinies. Hit that bell icons to stay updated on our latest travels. Until next time, keep exploring.